This is Google Cloud Basics. Next up, Google Compute Engine.
With Compute Engine, there are a few different ways to install software. In this video, we will cover two of them, via an SSH session and via a startup script. In the first example, we will install the Cloud Operations Agent into an existing GCE instance. In the second example, we will install the Cloud Monitoring Agent and the Apache web server from a startup script onto a new GCP instance. For example 1, we will start an SSH session from the GCE VM instances page. I'll paste the code below into the SSH session to copy the installation script to the VM using the curl command. And then run the next command to install the agent. After a few minutes, we can check the agent status in the monitoring section. For example 2, we will install the Cloud Operations Agent as before and the Apache web server on a new GC instance from a startup script, and then open port 80 for HTTP access. The only option I'm going to change is the selection box to enable HTTP access for the Apache web server. Then click through to the Advanced section, then Management, then to Automation, where we can see the startup script text box. And then paste in the code below to install the Cloud Monitoring Agents as before, but also install the Apache version 2 web server. Then finally create the instance. After a few minutes, we can see the agent in the monitoring section and check the default web page in Apache version 2.
You've been watching Google Cloud Basics.